Once upon a time there was a boy named Jack who loved exploring nature. One day he decided to go into the forest near his village. The forest was big and full of tall trees, colorful flowers, and the sound of birds singing. As Jack walked deeper into the forest, he found a small, sparkling river. He was curious, so he decided to follow it. While following the river, Jack saw a big old tree with a strange carving on it. The carving looked like an arrow pointing to a hidden path. Jack was excited and wanted to know where the path would lead. Jack followed the path and soon arrived at a clearing. In the middle of the clearing, there was a beautiful, glowing flower that Jack had never seen before. The flower was magical and gave off a soft, warm light. Jack felt happy and peaceful looking at it. He picked the flower carefully and decided to take it back to his village to show everyone. When Jack returned to the village, everyone was amazed by the beautiful flower. They thanked Jack for bringing something so wonderful from the forest. Jack learned that exploring new places could lead to amazing discoveries, and he promised to always be curious and adventurous. Grammar focus. Past simple tense. Notice how the story uses the past simple tense to describe actions that happened in the past, like decided, found, and saw. Adjectives. Words like tall, colorful, and glowing describe nouns, making the story more vivid. Prepositions. Pay attention to prepositions like into, near, and in, which help describe the location of objects or actions. Try reading the story and identifying these grammar points. This will help you understand how they are used in context.